You don't know what you don't know. It's an old saying, but it hits the mark. As the maintenance manager, your responsibilities probably include making sure that all manufacturing systems operate within spec, are serviced according to standard operating procedures, and that these systems have the highest possible availability for production. You also have your hands full ensuring that your team can complete calibrations, diagnostics, and repairs as quickly as possible during planned and unplanned downtime situations. Furthermore, you have to make sure that your team is using procedures that keep themselves and co-workers in a very safe environment. At the same time, you know that somewhere in your manufacturing supply chain, there are unforeseen opportunities, unrecognized problems, and unanticipated solutions that can address these problems. Productivity thieves often create unrecognized problems. Think of these thieves as persistent pickpockets who constantly rob your process of operational equipment effectiveness, OEE. It is very likely that you have multiple industrial scales, large and small, deployed throughout your plant. Weight is a frequently used process parameter in food and beverage plants. On average, 7 scales are used to process and produce a product. These scales manage raw material inventory, make batches and blends, and pack and inspect finished product. Did you know that a few of these thieves are probably hiding in your old normal scales, impacting your OEEs negatively today? Usually here. At Hardy, we know process weighing. We also know where the opportunities and problems hide and where solutions can be found. The good news is that you can move to a new state, a new normal which can reverse the negative impact. How? By implementing industrial scales designed with these thieving pickpockets in mind, scales that leverage the power of simplicity. Did you know Hardy's new normal industrial scales can be calibrated simply without test weights, reducing planned and unplanned downtime? This simplicity in engineering design and operation increases uptime by hundreds of hours a year, saving hundreds and thousands of dollars every year and boosting productivity across the supply chain by reducing scale downtime by up to 44%. Here are 2 examples of companies who've taken advantage of these improvements. At the end of this video, you will find a link on this web page that will enable you to watch or download a short video that explains Hardy's weightless C2 calibration. Did you know that there are many more potential unforeseen opportunities and unrecognized problems in your manufacturing supply chain, like this next example shown here regarding improvements in speed of diagnostics that is also centered around weighing? Each of these capabilities addresses OEE improvement, productivity gains, and lowers your total cost of operating and ownership. Once every 2 weeks, with your permission, we'll uncover another opportunity or problem, then discuss a solution to address it, each time from your perspective. Our promise to you is that we will never take more than 3 minutes to share this information. Your next Did You Know video will arrive in 2 weeks. All you have to do is whitelist the email address you received from us today so we do not end up in your spam filter. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as we uncover opportunities for you to review, deploy, and use to win.